When the night tries to divide us, when the fear begins to rise, when the world says turn against them, we will never close our eyes. We have walked through fire together, found a light that still remains. Every scar became a promise, every loss became our strength.
Raise your voice,
Lift your flames,
stand as one.
lead the change.
We stand for truth,
For love,
for you.
we stand for hope, for light, for all. If you carry fire in your soul, if you know we rise as one, take your place among the pack. Our journey has begun. We stand. We stand beside the broken until they find their feet.
We stand
Before the darkness,
We never choose retreat.
we stand to guard tomorrow by protecting every child,
We stand for those forgotten.
every lost and wandering soul.
Raise your voice,
Lift your flame,
stand as one.
lead the change.
Stand for truth,
For love,
for you.
we stand for hope,
For light,
for all. If you carry fire in your soul, if you know we rise as one, take your place among the pack. Our journey has begun. We stand. Stand for courage. Stand for honor. Stand for mercy. Stand together. Stand for family. Stand for freedom. Stand for justice. Stand forever. Stand for those who cannot stand. Protect the young across the land.
one heart, one fire, one pack.
We stand
For truth, for love.
for you.
We stand
For hope. For light. If your heart has heard this call, if you waited for a sign, step into the circle now. This fire is yours and mine. Raise your voice, lift your wings,
stand as one.
lead the change.
We stand together.
We are here. We are here.
Oh, oh.